In this video, I'll show you how to buy the Hoggy Bank in Clash Royale. So when we open the game, we can go to the right side of our screen and click on this little golden pig. Here we can see the Hoggy Bank. And currently it's filled. All collected gold is added to the Hoggy Bank with a 5 times multiplier. So whenever the Hoggy Bank is active, you can earn gold by playing matches, playing the game. And all of those gold will go to your account, but they will also go into the Hoggy Bank. And this gold will be multiplied by 5, and you can actually buy this gold so you get crazy value. Now the Hoggy Bank will cost $6, so it's up to you if you find that worth it or not. In my opinion, it's pretty expensive, and as a free-to-play player, I would not advise anyone to spend their money on Clash Royale. And then not on gold. However, gold can be very rare in this game, so if you run out of gold, buying the Hoggy Bank can be worth it for you. So to actually buy this, we just click on the $5.99. And then it says, would you like to break the Hoggy Bank? It shows the amount that's currently in it. I advise you to only buy it when it is completely filled. So currently there is 181345 gold in it. We'll click on the little info icon and it says all collected gold is added to the Hoggy Bank with a 5x multiplier. Now we'll click on the dollar sign again. And now that will take us to the Google Play Store. And if we go and follow the steps next, then we'll actually buy the Hoggy Bank. So that's how you unlock the Hoggy Bank in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching, subscribe.